teachers, I would like to say most of you got negative 135 or you got positive 135. Some of you chose to break that apart and some of you chose to stack it. But it is negative 135 because one's positive, one's negative. And when you multiply positive and negative, you get a negative. Yep. Get it in your spot under your desk.
I'm ready.
You open your door and stay in the doorway.
That's exactly what I would do. Because there's so much gum under this dish. Those gum under this dish is nasty. Like there's something right above my head. That's why I wish I had my head. My arm's killing me.
Hey, he's talking, you're not. Great job doing your earthquake drill. Way to stay safe.